Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to fix when you are opening your USB pen drive on your Windows 11 PC or in laptop. At that time you are facing this type of irritating error on your screen. You need to format the disk in drive before you can use it. So let's see how to fix this irritating issue. In this video I am going to show you. Watch this video till end very carefully. So for this guys, I am going to show you only one method to fix this issue. So this method also work with me, so hopefully this method also work with you. So let's get started. Press Windows key button and then here you need to search command prompt. Okay, like this. Right click on your command prompt and open this in run as administrator like this, and then here you need to enter one command chkdsk space g is your pen drive letter name. Okay, and then enter colon space /f. Afterwards hit enter from your keyboard. It will execute that command, so wait for few minutes and then you can easily able to close that command prompt and try to open your USB drive. Now hopefully this will helps you to fix your issue. So this, in case this method is not working with you, once again open command prompt in run as administrator mode and same command you need to enter. Just delete F and then press R from your keyboard and hit enter, and this command will also execute. So wait for few minutes and the command is completed. You can close your command prompt like this. Open your file explorer and open your drive. This will 100% work with you. Okay, so this is the easy and simple method to fix this irritating problem. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.